Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a engaging Instagram stories by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and after that we just need to access these story sections. You can do this plus button and choose the story, or you can just simply slide your home sections of Instagram in the right side to access these story sections. And now when you already arrive in the story sections, you just need to find out the picture that you want to add to stories or video. You can also do that too, but today I will let you give a picture. Okay, I found my picture here, and how to make this story engageful. So you just need to add some filters. You just need to find out what filters that can make your pictures or photos looks better, and after you find it, just click done. And now you can also use the features that provided by the Instagram, this for example, and you can go add the music to make it good, and you can just choose what music that you want to add into your story, for example. Okay, and after you find the music, you just need to click it, and this is the lyrics will be appear on your screen. You just need to click done, and you can also change the style of the music that will be appear on your screen. You can choose the style that provided by the Instagram, but for me I think I would like to go with this, the big lyrics appear on Instagram. You can also adjusting the length of the videos too, and after everything is satisfied, you just need to click done. And now after everything is done, you just need to go do positioning for the lyrics as well as resizing the size. And after everything is satisfied, you just need to click add to your story to upload it. So that's the tutorial how to create a engaging stories on Instagram. If you find out that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.